大家好，欢迎来到 Mandarin Q&A 的时间。大家今天过得怎么样呢？ Today's question comes from one of you. Could you please explain why "要" is used at 1 minute and 39 seconds of the 去 daily Mandarin video? Where are you going? Why isn't this where do you want to go? Is it wrong to say 你去哪里? I think this is a really good question because these three ways of asking may seem very similar, but they actually have different nuances. So today, let's talk about it. Let's start with these three questions. 你想去哪里? 你要去哪里? 你去哪里? In English, they can all be translated into something like, where are you going? Or, where do you want to go? So what's the difference? The easiest way to understand them is to look at the situation behind the question. Has the destination been decided? Are you asking about someone's plan? Or are you asking what they want? Let's look at each one. In 你想去哪里? Here, the destination hasn't been decided yet. You're asking about someone's preference. For example, imagine you and your friend are planning to go out this afternoon. You haven't decided where to go. So you ask, 你想去哪里? Where would you like to go? Maybe your friend says, 我想去看电影. I'd like to go see a movie. So here, 想 focuses on what the person wants or would like to do. The destination is still open. Now, let's change the situation. Imagine your friend is getting ready to leave. They are picking up their keys. They are putting on their shoes. You ask, 你要去哪里? Where are you going? And they answer, 我要去机场. I'm going to the airport. Here, the destination has already been decided, or there is a definite plan or intention. So you're asking about their intended destination. In natural English, where are you going? Or where are you planning to go? This is why 要 appears here. It's not asking, what do you want? It's asking about something the person intends or plans to do. Now, let's look at 你去哪里? Here, you notice there is no 要, there is no 想. Is this wrong? No, it's completely understandable and can be very natural. By dropping the word 要 or 想, makes the question very direct and straightforward. You are simply asking about the person's destination or current action. Imagine your father asks you, 你去哪里? Where are you going? You answered, 我去看医生. I'm going to see a doctor. There isn't an extra word telling us whether this was a plan, a preference, or something they decided earlier. You're just asking, where are you going? And here, I think tone and relationship are important. With someone you're close to, they can sound completely natural. But depending on how you say it, it can also sound more like you're demanding an answer. Where are you going? And where are you going? So personally, I will be more careful using this with someone older than me or someone I don't know well. I might use it quite naturally with close friends, family, or someone younger than me. So now, let's put all three together. 你想去哪里? The destination hasn't been decided. You're asking about someone's preference. Where would you like to go? 你要去哪里? The destination has been decided, or there is a definite plan or intention. You're asking about someone's plan. Where are you going? 你去哪里? You're simply asking about the person's destination or current action. It's more direct and straightforward. Where are you going? So you can think of them like this. 想去 indicates preference. 要去 indicates plan or intention. 去 indicates direct question about the destination. And that's why these three expressions can all be correct, but they aren't always interchangeable. In English, we often use a single phrase like where are you going across many different situations. Whether we're asking about someone's immediate plans, their preferences, or just making casual conversation, the same sentence gets the job done. However, in Mandarin, it is much more specific. Adding a small word like 要 or 想 instantly changes the nuance, telling the listener much more about what the speaker is actually asking. Are you asking about their personal preference? Are you asking about an immediate plan or intention? Or are you simply asking where they are off to right now? Once you look at the context and intention behind each phrase, distinguishing between these three expressions becomes easier. I hope this helps you understand the difference between 你想去哪里, 你要去哪里, and 你去哪里. They are all useful. The key is to look at what the speaker is actually asking about. And thank you again to the viewer who inspired today's episode. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep exploring Mandarin together, one question at a time. 谢谢大家，下次见喽。